We're up at the terrace. You guys, I am barefoot. Thank God the floor is not hot. But this is the view from the terrace. When I tell you, it's such a beautiful view up here. Look at the mountains in the back. City. Got your coconut tree. You'll see the backyard and everyone who's just hanging out down there. This is pretty much my morning view when I wake up. And of course for security, they have gates everywhere in this place. During the day, I open it up to get some fresh air. And at night, lock it up. That's about it. So this room is still, you know, under construction. But for now, it is just perfect for me. I just put all my stuff, like laid out my clothes. This is not the room that I sleep in, but I like to come in here in the morning. So I just laid out all my clothes to see what I have and stuff like that, because all my stuff was in this little carry-on, which I have to shoot a video one day to show you guys how I travel with just a carry-on no matter where I'm going, even if I'm going for 2-3 weeks. One small carry-on. I have to show you guys how I pack, trust me. Everything in here was in that carry-on and then some. And that's it. This is the room that I pretty much use as my hangout space and where I fix all my clothes. So one thing I didn't know, I had to get this. It's like a, I don't know if it's a visa or something. It's like a visa. Because I wasn't born in the country, they made me pay for it at the airport.
Between my neighborhood and Mono's neighborhood.
Time to eat. Say hi, Grandma. Say hi. No. So I just got me some food from the side of the road, you guys. My dad, like, swear by this place. It took us 3 hours to get here. 3 whole hours to get here because of the traffic. So I got some authentic Haitian food. I have rice and peas, salad, a little bit of macaroni salad. Authentic, okay? Griot, pickles, patat, banan. About to go down. And I got me my bottle of water called Couligan. L'eau Couligan. That's what the water is called, Couligan. Street bar, you guys, street bar. You can get your liquor here, your beer, just like that. Okay, so the car broke down. My dad got a rental, it broke down, and we've been waiting for the past over an hour. Look at everybody just hanging out. Look at my grandma, my daddy in the blue, my uncle in the orange. This is all part of the trip, you guys. I wanted to vacation like a true Haitian. Me and my daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
Hey girl, how you doing?
Good. He's about to show me one of the churches here in Pétionville, right? This is where we're at, Pétionville.
Pétionville.
Yes, so we're about to see one of the cities.
L'église Saint-Pierre, by the Church of St. Peter.
St. Peter's Church, l'église Saint-Pierre. So this is the Church of St. Peter's. Church of St. Peter's. Right in Pétionville. The mechanic is finally here to fix this car. Hopefully our car will be ready to go home. You guys, this is what we call lisho. It's like a little stove. Once I remember what kind of stove, what do you call this? I forgot what kind of stove you call this in English, but it's like those portable stoves.
Aí via macabuio. Um couve. Aí poá.
On va faire poire à du... Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire? Du volet?
Du volet.
Okay. Finally, the food is ready. This is what we call du collet with cabrit. So this is goat stew with rice and peas. And the famous beer that everyone drinks here. Lunch is ready.
Vous pouvez laver mouche. Ça va se développer, bien développer. Si va quitter là, on va quitter là. Pas possible la bébé. Bah des cycles là, bah.
Ooh. So they're making bouillon today with goat head, and I'm definitely not gonna eat that. Ooh, that's it. Ooh, look at it. You guys, I can't eat this. No bouillon for me today. It's bouillon with goat head and goat intestines. Not happening. Not happening. I am not eating that today. Mommy?
Épinard? Oh, pas t'acheter épinard.
Say hi, Grandma. Monkey bwile lo tire show. Monkey bwile lo tire show. Mommy, wap kale kawa?
Akali o kao tu.
Mete banana, non, mete banana.
Oui, tati.
C'est bouillon et cette carotte à ma préparée.
That's it. Bable kabrit, that's it. Bable kabrit sa vwe. No. So I am not participating in today's dinner, which is I don't know how you say bouillon in English.
Soup?
It's a kind of soup, I guess, like a vegetable
soup. It's not a beef stew, but it's a goat stew.
It's a goat kind of a stew or
Right.
soup, and usually I love it. Usually I love it, but today they're making it with goat head and intestines. Not happening, you guys. I'm not eating that. With goat feet, I don't know why they chose all the parts not to put
Including the
in there.
the teeth.
Oh yeah, they did not remove the eyes of the goat, the tongue. I'm good today. So for dinner, I asked for boiled plantain with eggs. I'll be good. I do not want to participate in that meal. Say hi, Daddy.
Hey, Trish.
About to head out with my daddy.
Look at us. We're going out.
So me and my dad's about to head out with my grandma, who's taking her sweet time.
Côte Levy, Doudou.
Always taking her sweet time. the Marriott of Haiti. Well, Marriott in Haiti. Marriott is everywhere, you guys.
Hold on. Let me give you a better
And this is Digicel,
position.
one of the phone companies in Haiti, famous phone company. Japanese are everywhere. Look at this. They got their own sushi spot.
Mais ambassade République Dominicaine, right?
Dad is buying conch. I have potatoes, fried plantain pickles, fried pork with I forgot what you call this, beef. You guys, I look like a complete hot mess. This is actually my day 3 here. The first 2 days have been so crazy and hectic. But today I said I'm staying indoors. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not visiting no more family members today because I have so much family here. I said today I'm not visiting family. I am not going anywhere. I'm going to look like a hot mess and just chill and be a houseboat. Now, unfortunately, the power went out again. And the Wi-Fi, it's like one of those Wi-Fis that can be charged and when the power go out it still works, but I guess it wasn't charged enough. So I have no Wi-Fi, no power, no TV, nothing. I'm just chilling. Either I go to the backyard and hang out with my aunt and my grandmother, or I just come back inside and just chill. I'm alone with my thoughts and whatever music I downloaded on Spotify. But you guys, I'm doing it like, you know, the local way. I didn't want to do anything that's too over the top, like stay at a resort and stuff like that. I wanted to be local, you know, unplug. I didn't think I was gonna unplug all the way down to no electricity, but all in all, I'm relaxing. Today I bothered my dad because I wanted to try the bag water, and I got my first bag water. I'm excited. I see this all the time. All the street vendors is selling this. Everyone is buying this. But my dad wanted to keep me on the bottled water. I said, Daddy, I want to have a full experience. So now I have my bag water. Okay. Trying my bag water. Okay. I look like a greasy chicken. Look at my daddy.
Your daddy is driving.
Mm-hmm. You gotta focus on this rough road. Hey! Alright. Tati, you say hi? Hey! Look at my grandma Tati. Yes, mommy. Where is my Johnny? Johnny Mo. Do you know Johnny? Question. If I know see my Johnny. Looks like a greasy chicken. So hot. I just see my journey.
Delma is over there.